Hello, I'd like to introduce you to a feature that allows you to manage the moments that you upload to a job. So many of you use Capturelife in different ways, but one of them is when you're looking to share one set of content with many customers, and allow them to see the entire set of content on a job rather than segmenting content to individual customers. So for example, this is a professional women's basketball team segmenting content out per game to customers. So you see here this game, Surge versus Music City Icons. There are 113 moments, and you can see over on the right my iPhone what that looks like. So if you go in, you see the cover moment with those little balls sitting on the seats, and then you can see the course of the game and how it unfolds using Capturelife in a fan engagement type use case. What I want to do is show you how you can use this new Manage Moments feature to control the way that content displays. So the way you do that is after you've uploaded content to a job. This is great, for example, for action sports photographers, where you're sharing a set of images from a game with all the parents who paid to see those images, and you want to control the way they see them. All you do is click on the thumbnail of where you see those images or on the number count here. So I'm going to click on this one that corresponds to this story I have over here on my screen here. And what you're going to see is the way that those images actually look in the story. So if I open up this on my mobile phone, you'll see that the order in which they display are exactly the same as the order in which they are here. So this is automatically sorting these chronologically by how the game unfolded and when those images were added to this particular job. So they get added in chronological order. So you can see from the beginning of the game when the players are entering all the way through the end of the game and the panel that shows the final score. So it unfolds chronologically to tell that story. So what I'm going to do here is show you how you can control this content dynamically. Number one, you can control the cover moment. So this cover moment is really important because it is sort of the money shot that everybody sees when they first open a story. It's also what they see back on their main screen when they're looking at a number of stories in their account. So how do we control what displays there? You can hover over any picture. Let's say I wanted this picture of this little girl to be the cover moment, and I can set that, and then that is going to change in here. So see, if I close and refresh, you see that she is now the cover moment. It's that dynamic. You can also drag and drop the order. If there was a sequence here that didn't quite make sense, for example, you wanted to put this player here and move her over here in the order. Okay, and now you can see the order where she is now ahead of that other girl. You see her, she's in the second row all the way to the right, and the girl with the Lakers shirt comes after that. So you can totally control the order using drag and drop. You can delete an image. If there's a certain image in here, now this is part of a live job, so I'm not going to do that, but believe me when I say that if you hover over and you delete this image or you replace an image, it will be dynamically reflected. Maybe one of the parents says there's a particular shot of their kid that they didn't like. You can delete that and know that it's dynamically deleted in their account as well. The other thing you can do is if you ever need to download an image for whatever purpose, you wanted to use it in marketing materials. These players, for example, took some of the pictures that were taken of them and they posted them on social media. So you can use these images that way as well. So I just wanted to let you know about this really powerful feature that lets you control the content and create an even more engaging experience for your fans or for your customers. Thanks.